welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are safe, stay hydrated, stay safe, keep social distancing, and let's go into the video.
Now look at me, look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Your girl need a doll and that's a honey. Pick it to me, big name, monster. Wanna come on, get some. Not catch you mad, but first you know the net. What's up? I'm right back. I'm a sweater.
First of all, I'm so much excited to shoot this video because this is my second video. And this video is about my Carefree products, which I recently obsessed and using it. It gives me good result actually. So let's see the products. Okay guys, let me show you the products. Please ignore the music. So these are the products which I used recently and obsessed. I'm not a coffee person, but this is caffeine. It's coffee product. It is espresso latte and another one I forgot what. First I'll tell you how these products got my eye. I saw these products on Instagram. Many influencer, mentor and promotions I got oftenly regularly about these products, and the one more is Bilwa, I guess. So I thought why not to give it a try. I'm not at all a coffee person since college. My second grade of college, and I went inside the website. I researched about this brand. I thought, okay, we will buy just 2 products for sample. After that, we will go for it. So this product is PETA certified, SLS free, made safe, and made in India. So totally, I got 6 products from this brand M Caffeine, which I felt essential and I use in a daily routine in my life. You guys can think it is looking new and tagged already, but no, I used it a bit and using it daily. I don't leave a boxes behind. I keep it for I don't know for how much months, but in end I'll leave it in the dustbin. Okay, let's unpack the products. So the first product I come up with M Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Scalp Oil. I think you can see. So this is the first product I used as soon as I received M Caffeine's brand. It is so nice, so sticky. I'm giving you the honest review that works to me, not which is written behind the bottle actually. This really works good for me. It is very light. I usually use coconut oil, and recently I was using some green kind of oil. What is it? I don't know, my mom. To be frank, not all it works. Some it works and some it doesn't work. It smells like pakka filter coffee. As you can't smell. Right now I can't show you guys practically because yesterday I took hair bath. A nice hair bath. So you can go and check it out, this product, in their website or in Instagram. That's it. The next product I would like to show you guys is one of my favorite product among this brand. It is incredible. I have nowhere seen this product and I have not used it before. It is M Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Scalp Scrub. I think you can see this right now. Yeah. This is so jelly. You can apply on the scalp directly and you can exfoliate all the dandruff as soon as you clear it. Really, it works amazing to me. Guys who are affected with dandruff, you can use this actually. It works nice for you guys. I'm not giving any promotion. This works to me very well. You know what guys, I was undergoing worstly a dandruff problem for past years. As soon as I saw this product in website, I thought this is my product and I got this immediately as soon as I saw this. So this works me very well. It is incredible and I have nowhere seen this and I have nowhere used any dandruff products. I went to a hospital and I was using a different oils, but this actually it works me nice. It exfoliates all dandruff. It is actually exfoliation of scalp. We have to apply all over the scalp and we leave it for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. I leave it for 15 minutes. As soon as I wash my scalp, as soon as I take hair bath, it actually works well. It smells good and the scalp is so soft. So this is my product. So after using this product, I think it worked me. So I think obviously this is my favorite product. The next product is Mcafeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Body Lotion. I used it twice because I ordered along with this body scrub. First I ordered 3 products, after that I ordered the 3 products, which is body scrub and body lotion, and another one is a bar. So this is lightweight and non-greasy. It smells actually very nice. Wait, let you guys see this. This is amazing. Of this body lotion is it moisturizes and non-greasy, lightweighted, and it tones the skin. I felt personally. The next product is this cute bathing bar, and the flavor is espresso. There are 3 flavors over there. It is espresso, latte, and cappuccino. And this looks not so dark and not so light, so I thought to get this. And I have no idea why I got this. I have not tried till now. So after trying, let's see. The next product is one of my second favorite products among this brand. It is Mcafeine's Naked and Raw Naked Detox Green Tea Face Serum. I have not used any other serum apart from aloe vera because in my home there is an aloe vera plant. I used to pick the plant and I used it directly on my face. It is raw aloe vera. But the first time I got some branded serum, see you can see here I have used until here. It's almost over. It is very costly. It is 625 rupees for just only 40 and actually it smells so good and the texture is so nice. It is so soft.